अच्छा, चलिए। पोयम है मैकैविटी द मिस्ट्री कैट। ठीक है ना? चलिए। मतलब ये जो पोयम है ना, ये बेसिकली कैट के बारे। मेरी आवाज आ रही है सबको? ठीक है। तो ये जो पोयम है बेटा, ये एक कैट के बारे में। क्या है कैट? मतलब एक बेसिकली पोएट जो है वो बोल रहा है कि जनरली क्या होता है, आपके पास अगर कैट है एज अ पेट, तो आपको पता नहीं चलेगा कि वो क्या सोच रही है कैट, और थोड़ी ही मिस्टीरियस रहती है कैट। डॉग जो होते हैं, जैसे कंपेयर करें तो डॉग बहुत ओपन रहते हैं, कैट जो है थोड़ी मिस्टीरियस रहती है ना? तो ये पोएट बोल रहा है कि हर कैट जो है वो मिस्टीरियस नहीं होती है, लेकिन क्या होता है, ज्यादातर जो कैट्स होती हैं वो मिस्टीरियस होती हैं। आप क्या पता नहीं कर सकते कि उनके दिमाग में क्या चल रहा है, वो क्या सोच रही हैं। ऐसे ही एक कैट है मैककेविटी। ये एक जो कैट है ये मिस्टीरियस है। अच्छा, मिस्टीरियस मतलब क्या होता है, जिसको समझना थोड़ा सा मुश्किल होता है ना, जो स्ट्रेंज बिहेव करे, थोड़ा सा उसको समझना, उसके दिमाग में क्या चल रहा है, और उसको समझना एज अ पर्सन हो या कोई एनिमल हो, उसको समझना मुश्किल हो, उसे हम बोलते हैं मिस्ट्री। ठीक है ना? ठीक है। फिर है मैककेविटी अ मिस्ट्री कैट, ही इज कॉल्ड द हिडन पॉ। अच्छा, अब हिडन पॉ मतलब क्या होता है पता है? क्लॉ होता है ना, पंजे। हाँ बिल्कुल। तो पॉ जो होता है वो बेसिकली क्लॉज जिसे बोलते हैं, और मतलब पैर जो होते हैं वो। हिडन मतलब जो इनविजिबल हो। ठीक है। तो मैक कैविटी इज अ मिस्ट्री कैट, ही इज कॉल्ड द हिडन पॉ। मैक कैविटी is a mystery cat. Now, the poet is referring McCavity as a mystery cat, and he is calling that cat the hidden paw. Hidden paw means the claws, paw is claws, and the hidden is which is unseen, you or invisible. That ठीक है ना? For he is the master criminal who can defy the law. अब इसमें इसका मतलब क्या हुआ? For he is referring to cat. For he is the master criminal who can defy the law. He is saying, poet is saying that Machiavelli uh, is perfect in committing any crime, and he can also uh, he is the perfect example of disobeying. Defy means disobey करना। ठीक है ना? Machiavelli easily disobey the rules and regulation laid down by the poet. He is the bafflement of Scotland Yard, the Flying Scots despair. अच्छा, what is bafflement? अच्छा, what is Scotland Yard? हाँ, puzzled, बिल्कुल, definitely. Bafflement is puzzle. Uh, Scotland Yard and the Flying Scots. Basically, these two are the you can say जैसे वी हैव रॉ, है ना, सीबीआई सॉरी, है ना, सेंट्रल ब्यूरो ऑफ इन्वेस्टिगेशन। सिमिलरली स्कॉटलैंड हैज स्कॉटलैंड यार्ड, मतलब डिफेंस एजेंसी, basically you can say Scotland Yard. Getting my point? He the cat is puzzle even for Scotland Yard. The flying Scots despair. Despair मतलब होपलेसनेस, किसी के लिए कोई होप नहीं हो ना, तो वो, तो द कैट इज a puzzle for Scotland Yard and the many other defense agencies. For when they reach the scene of crime, McCavity not there. Whenever uh, Scotland Yard or any agency go to the uh, crime scene to find out who has done the crime, McCavity, the cat, the mystery cat, is not present, there every time. They don't find McCavity at the crime scene. McCavity, there is no one like McCavity. मतलब अब now the poet is saying, he is repeating his name twice and saying that he McCavity, no one is like you, McCavity. अच्छा, this line shows एक होता है ना कि whenever we are irritated with a person, we always say his name and तेरे जैसा तो कोई है ही नहीं, क्या ना कि कुछ भी नाम है कि भाई सूरज, तेरे जैसे तो कोई भी नहीं है सूरज, है ना, जब इरिटेट हो जाते हैं किसी से तो ऐसा बोला जाता है. He's broken every human law. He breaks the law of gravity. The mystery cat, the McCavity, has broken each and every law. अरे भाई वैभव, has broken each and every human law, and he has broke the law of gravity also. अच्छा, what is law of gravity? Do you know? It's a this term, the law of gravity, is used in science basically. So have you heard about gravity? मतलब सुना है ग्रेविटी क्या होती है? Okay, so basically what is gravity? Anything which we throw in the air, it comes down because the gravity pull that thing down. That is law of gravity. If we go higher, every time if we go higher, the earth's gravity pulls us down. यही होती ना ग्रेविटी की, हम जितना ऊपर जाएंगे, हम ऊपर जाते हैं, हवा में जाते हैं, तो जो ग्रेविटी है वो हमें नीचे की तरफ पुल करती है. तो McCavity has broken every law and the law of gravity, because the law of gravity do not works for McCavity. His powers of levitation would make a figure stare. अच्छा, what is levitation? Levitation means basically it's written here, floating in the air without support. Basically, if we want to stay in the air, we need support, otherwise the gravity will pull us down. But in the case of McCavity do not need any support. He can float in the air without any support. And fakir is mystic or holy man. Fakir, basically this is a Hindi word, fakir. And when you reach the scene of crime, McCavity is not there. You may seek him in the basement, you may look up in the air, but I tell you once and once again, McCavity is not here. Whenever the poet is saying that whenever anybody goes to the crime scene to find out who has done this crime, you will not find McCavity at the crime scene. You may find him in the basement, you may find him in the air if you look up, but you will not find McCavity at the crime scene. समझ में आ रही है बात? फिर देखो, McCavity is a ginger cat. He is very tall and thin. You would know him if you saw him, for his eyes are sunken in. Now poet is saying that McCavity is a ginger cat. Ginger is a species of cat. He is tall and he is thin, but his eyes are deep. Sunken means there is something mysterious about his eyes. You would know him if you saw him. तुम उसको जानोगे if you have seen him. His brow is deeply lined with thought. अच्छा, what is brow? His forehead. मतलब brow is forehead. It means that his forehead is always lined. मतलब lined is wrinkled. He is always thinking something in his head. So because of that thinking, he has a wrinkle on his forehead, and he is constantly thinking about something. His head is highly doomed. Now he's telling us about the shape of his head. His head is round in shape. His coat is dusty from neglect. His whiskers are uncombed. His coat is dusty from neglect. Dusty means full of dust, and neglect means ignoring ignoring a person, or do not pay attention to him or to her. So basically, and whiskers means hair. Facial मतलब hair on animal's face. So basically his coat is dusty. मतलब coat, अब hair coat is referring to a real coat or the body, upper body of cat. It's not clear here, so we are uh, assuming that the cat is wearing a coat and the coat is full of dust, ठीक है ना, and his hair uh, are also messed up, or you can say uncombed. Uncombed means, comb पता है क्या होता है? comb, कंगा। तो कंगे से बाल क्या होते हैं? अरेंज हो जाते हैं ना। हम कंगे से बाल बनाते हैं तो क्या होते हैं? अरेंज। तो uncombed means not arranged. He sways his head from side to side with movements like a snake. What is snake? Sways, moving uh, the head from one direction to another. So his head always slides like a he. His head always looks one side to other, and he makes the cat is making always makes a move like a snake. जैसे snake movement करता है वैसे ही ये cat भी करती है. And when you think he's half asleep, he's always wide awake. And if you think that the cat is sleeping but he's always awake, मतलब वो जगी हुई है. जब भी आपको लगता है कि वो आधी सोई हुई है और आधी नींद में है और आधी जगी हुई है, बट जगा हुआ है, लेकिन वो हमेशा से ही कॉन्सेंट्रेटेड है, फुली अवेक्ड है. ठीक है. अच्छा, एक काम करो, अब ये फर्स्ट, सेकंड और थर्ड पैराग्राफ आप रीड करो अपने आप ही, और कोई प्रॉब्लम हो तो मेरे को बताओ. ठीक है ना. तो और ये फोर्थ पॉइंट जो है ना, अच्छा ये फोर्थ भी है इसमें. वेट मैं फोर्थ भी कराता हूँ. मैककेविटी देयर इज नो वन लाइक मैककेविटी, वो सेम लाइन है. एंड फॉर ही इज अ फाइंड इन feline shape, a monster of depravity. अच्छा, fiend means devil and feline means मतलब thing related to cat, or monster is also devil, and depravity is moral corruption. So basically he is a devil in a cat shape, and he is a monster. He is also a monster of moral corruption. मतलब उसमें the cat do not have moral values. He is a monster basically. You may meet him in a by street. You may see him in the square. But when the crime is discovered, then McCavity is not there. Here poet is saying you may find him in the street, or what is square, or you can find him in the square. Square is चौराहा, समझते हो है ना. फोर साइडेड एरिया, तो वो चौराहा. ठीक है ना. you may find him in the square, or you may find him in the street. You may find him anywhere but not in the crime scene. ठीक है. अब आप इसको थोड़ा सा रीड करो.